Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set the location name in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 using hostname ctl command. So first thing is I am opening the terminal. So in terminal I am typing hostname ctl. So you can see that no location name is set. So location name is nothing but your PC or virtual machine will be located in different location, that is will be located in different geographical locations, right? That can be set using this hostname ctl command. So login as a root user. So this is the command hostname ctl set -location. I am giving the location name. So location name I am giving as Chennai. So after giving the location name, you can see that location is set. Hostname ctl command will display the location name. So you can also reset this location name or clear the location name. So I am going to clear the location name. So this is the command to clear the location name. So it will clear the location name, which means it does not display anything. Okay. Now I am going to once again set some value to the location. So this location name will be very useful if we have multiple networks distributed across geographical location. So if you have multiple location, this command will be useful for you.